Aminnah has a mystery box, so if you want to see what's in this big guy, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Aminnah mystery box. I mean, this guy is huge. They had several different sizes and several different price points. They started off with a small, medium, large, and extra large. This is the large, and it's far bigger than I was expecting. So the extra large was like 200, and I was like, all right, I'm not gonna do that one. I did do the large one, which was 100, but this is full. Not much of a sneak peek there. All right, here's if we go to Five Guys and like you get the French fries and they put some in a cup and then they scoop out whatever's left in that thing and they put it in the bag on top of the cup, just all over the place. That's what this was like, because, and that's a good thing with French fries and with mystery boxes. So I'm guessing that like this is kind of like the main bulk of it, but then there are 3 things wrapped up like this, 2 boxes like this, and this. So we'll start with this. There is a coupon for $10 off of $50 or more. I don't know what else I would need from Aminnah. I mean, goodness sakes, there's a lot here. This is a keychain, it looks like. So this says all natural, all fun, all you. You can kind of spin it around. And we have make someone smile, be yourself, love deeply, live simply, be someone's rainbow today, kindness is always fashionable, you are enough, believe it, create your sunshine. Okay. It's my mom calling my daughter. Love wins always and forever, life is too short, be happy, dream big, work hard, succeed, make someone smile, and be yourself. So that's really cute. All right, so we have a color changing lip oil. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, so I put it on. It's clear. We'll see. Usually that will change even just on your skin. It's got some pink sparkles in it though. I like that. Then we have their life is some more fun with you. And this is a lip gloss, and look at that gold. These are nice, big. It smells like marshmallow, like burnt marshmallow, which is, oh, such a lovely scent. Look at that. And a sprinkle donut spoon. Oh, I wonder if it's like a scoop spoon. I'm like, why did they say a spoon? But yes. So look at how cute that is. All right, and that's gonna scoop out your products, which when you're wearing fake nails or gels or whatever it is that you might wear, they get stuck under your nails and it's so hard to get out. Next we have this fun package. This looks like one, maybe a lotion or something like that. This is the Mermaid Kisses lotion. Look at how fun that is though. It's got a layer of pink, a layer of purple, a layer of like a blue-green. Oh, that smells nice. Does it have the scent notes on here? It's got vitamin E, apricot kernel oil, golden jojoba, and coconut oil. It doesn't say the scent notes, but delicious. That's the scent notes, delicious. Next we got this one. And this is the 24 Gold Glow. All right, and this has those same ingredients. Now this is a cruelty-free brand. All right, so there it is there. You can just blend that in and just get like a nice glow. All right, you can see that that top gloss is definitely taking a pink shade. All right, and we have 2 of these boxes. Let's see. No idea what to expect. Ooh, okay, all right. This is the 24 karat gold glow oil. So you're definitely going to get that nice golden glow. And we have the Fine Apples Pineapple, it's your pineapples serum. It's for you. And it's a lifting and tightening infused with retinol, olive oil, and vitamin E. And I'll bet you this smells amazing. I think I have this in their watermelon scent. Ooh, this smells so good. And now we got this guy here. I'm going to guess it's wrapped in this because there's going to be some of their swirls in there, which are, let's say, a mousse. And they can be sensitive to heat. Okay, so in here were 8 products. Half of them are whipped body butters or foaming soaps, and the other half are sugar polishes. So we have the oatmeal and honey whipped body butter. I'm not going to open all these up because I don't want to start the clock on them. Oh my goodness, look at the colors in this. This is Ghouls Night. This is a foaming soap. And these are just so creamy. It's got grapeseed oil and jojoba oil. So the grapeseed oil is an all-over great moisturizer for the skin, but also helps unclog the pores, naturally helps with acne, aging, or rough spots, and the jojoba oil, obviously good for dry skin, psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea. I did not know that about jojoba oil. It also has shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, coconut oil, and water, stearic acid, sodium chloride, mica, and fragrance. I bet you that smells so good. Ooh, look at that. And then we have the pumpkin pie spice whipped foaming soap. Yes, please. And the Mermaid Kisses whipped body butter, and this has coconut oil, which softens, conditions, and moisturizes, cocoa butter and shea butter, and vitamin E. Look at that. All right, next we have our sugar polishes. We have the My Iced Gems, and this is a tightening and lifting polish. And this might actually have like some stones in there. I have one that's got like some amethyst stones in it. Then we have honeysuckle, ooh, sugar and polish. The rose quartz sugar polish. And some of these are plastic and some of these are glass. This one's definitely glass. This one, that one's plastic. This one, no, maybe it's plastic. Actually, it might be plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. All right. I don't like glass in the shower. I'm afraid it's going to fall. And so, all right, so there's the rose quartz. And, ooh, I do not know what I'll do without you, sugar polish. So this is, don't want to go cute with that little spoon. Oh, nice. I am all hooked up with the body polishes. All right, so that is my Aminnah large mystery box. Tell me your thoughts. I mean, I definitely got my investment back. I will say that. I am all set with these kind of bath products for a while, although Christmas is coming, so I'm probably going to gift a couple of these things at Christmas time. Particularly my pink niece has to have this rose quartz one. I'm definitely going to give the donut and the honeysuckle though. And I think I know I'm going to do this one too. Oh, all right, so there is the color change. So it goes from almost a clear to just a very light pink, and I like that. I like the gold too though. All right, so tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product? I don't know, so many good things in here. I'm going to say the whipped foaming soap because that is so creamy on your skin. So I am surprised that there were 3 soaps. Oh no, sorry, one of these 2 soaps and a 2 body butters. Okay, because this is body butter. So 2 soaps, 2 body butters. I was going to say, that was weird that there were 3 in one, but that makes more sense. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely love everything in here though. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave a message down below, and be kind to each other. And hopefully I'll see you soon.